Our birthday this week is with Ayla Ridnour, who's turning the big number 2. A very happy birthday to Ayla. She celebrates in Pittsburgh, and Ayla, this comes with love from Oma and Pop-Pop.
Happy birthday, super cute. And also, happy birthday to Emma Good, turning 6.
Oh my gosh!
Goody. Wow,
Goody.
I have a pronunciation key right here on my
Oh,
page,
it's okay.
and
I
didn't even see
No,
it.
I didn't even. I looked up and Emma's 6.
Yeah.
I'm like, holy cow! Yeah, Goody.
Turned 6 on Friday.
The Goodies are absolutely marvelous people,
Great.
and they have raised just marvelous kiddos. Very happy birthday to you, Miss
Happy
Emma.
birthday, Emma.
I'm like, what up, Goodies? Zayden Clark, turning the big number 7. That's a sharp-dressed dude right there. You know,
Oh, yeah.
You and I were talking about hair and haircuts earlier. We take a little lesson from Zayden right there. Happy birthday, my man. He's in Joplin.
And happy birthday to Emma Lou Brown
Aw,
with the chicken.
that's great.
Man, super cute. Turning 7 years old in Pittsburgh.
Daisy Ellison, she is celebrating a 9th birthday with a crown fit for a birthday queen. Happy birthday, Miss Daisy and Weir.
And happy birthday to Kirsten Olbert, turning 10 in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday.
So evidently I messed up earlier. I don't know when I did. Sometime this month. I don't know.
Okay.
But
Oh, okay.
I celebrated Jaden McConnell's birthday early.
Yeah?
Well, when you're turning 13, man, it's a big
That's
deal.
a big one, so,
right.
I mean, getting it
Getting
twice
into
is
teenage
okay, yeah.
years. So this is Jaden's actual birthday. And Jaden, hey, I'm glad that we got the celebration started early for you.
sure.
He's in Carthage.
Happy birthday, Jaden. And happy birthday to Jack Honchel.
Honcho. You got it.
I try to overpronounce everything.
No, you're doing great, dude.
Turning 14
Look at it.
years
What
old.
is that thing? It's huge.
Is that a snow cone?
I don't know. I mean, we've already been talking about food this morning, and
Yes,
Jack's
we
got
have.
that marvelous looking drink. I don't know. It looks good, Jack. It looks
Yes, it
good.
does.
Devin Westall, a happy 14th birthday to Devin. His birthday over the weekend. Devin, I say we take this thing all the way to the end of the month, my man. Happy birthday as he turns 14.
And happy birthday to Lucas Gazaway, 22 years old in Liberal. His birthday was over the weekend on Saturday, and get this, he's one of our graphic artists, Will York, his cousin.
Right.
Happy birthday, Lucas.
We can't get through a show without having one of Will's relatives have a birthday. We love Will and his extended family.
Definitely.
Stephanie Overton, a happy 35th birthday. Miss Stephanie, she is in Golden City.
And a happy birthday to Michael Rogers in Pittsburgh, turning 41.
I give Michael credit. We don't get many selfies that's pretty cool, man. Michael,
Yeah.
thank you for that. Sometimes we get other people that, no, I think that's great. Dean North, the big 6-0. Very happy birthday to Dean. And here's it again. In Commerce.
Happy birthday, Dean, and happy 69th birthday to
Hey.
Joe Mack.
What's up, Joe?
Very cool hat. Looks like a cool dude. Happy birthday,
I
Joe.
haven't seen Mr. Joe in a long time. Happy birthday, Joe. Gerald Walker is celebrating number 90. Yes, a very happy
Very cool.
birthday to you, Mr. Walker. Marvelous picture there, sir. He is in Fredonia.
Happy birthday to Alicia Norton in Girard. We don't have a date on this one, but happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Alicia. I think Alicia, we just paint her as 29, and we're just like, she's 29.
Yeah?
Yeah. Next year
good.
we'll do the same thing. It'll be cool. Caleb Wood, a very happy birthday. Good looking family picture right there. Tell Caleb spends a lot of time running around chasing kiddos. I bet. He's in Chanute.
And happy birthday to Katie Locke in Pittsburgh. Another
Speaking
one.
of a marvelous
running around
family
everywhere.
picture.
Big family. Marvelous picture, though.
That is great. Let's get to our anniversaries because we'll begin with Caleb and Rachel Morgan as they're celebrating their 7th anniversary. Congratulations to the Morgans in Carthage.
And congratulations to Andrew and Carrie Lance in Pittsburgh. It's their 11th anniversary today.
Kenton and Dawn Thompson, 40 years.
40 years.
40
Wow.
years. Neither of them look old
Right.
enough to even be married for 40 years.
Right.
My goodness. Congratulations, Kenton and Dawn. There's in Altamont.
And this one's even better. I mean, both of them are
Wow.
really good, but 51 years for Carrie and Janet McKenzie. They're in
Congratulations.
Columbus.
That's amazing.
Happy anniversary.
Bonnie Merritt, a very happy birthday to you in McCune.
And happy
What's up, No, wait.
Okay.
What's up, Justin? No pick, huh? All right. Happy birthday from all of us here, and we'll get that settled later. Don't worry, we'll get that settled. And a very happy 80th birthday to Miss Gloria Hayward. She is in Altamont. Now, here's the cool thing. You notice
Wow.
those names back to back.
Nice.
So as Gloria celebrates her 80th birthday, that gentleman right below her on the list, Richard, that is her son, as they get to share a birthday weekend together. Richard
That
turning
would be
59.
very
Happy
cool.
birthday to the Hayward family.
And happy birthday to Logan Prophet, turned 22. And Wayne and Julie Thomas having an anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Ross Westervelt celebrating in the bus. And our good friends Ken and Helen Kelly, get this, they're celebrating their 54th anniversary. Helen's usually really good about sending in pictures.
Yeah.
So I'm
Right.
gonna have to ask her exactly what happened there. But Helen, thank you for taking care of Ken too, and doing so for 54 years there in
For
Columbus.
sure.
We'll be
Happy
right back
anniversary,
and wrap up this edition of the KOAM Morning News right after this.